Hi guys, it is Cornelis Snyman from 60secondsbinaryoptions.com. I trade binary options for a living and I only trade high probability setups. Today I'm going to share another strategy with you guys. We're going to look at the Haneke Ishii indicator, and then we will make use of a 6-day exponential moving average. Now let me show you guys how simple it is. First of all guys, this I want to show you on my chart. I have on my left, this is a Haneke Ishii indicator, this red and white stuff, and here is the Japanese candlesticks. I have to see both of them before I take a trade. And then on this Haneke Ishii, you will see there is 3 red indicators, 3 lines there as red, and here it is green. This is my extreme indicator. I use always when I trade 60 seconds or 2 minutes or 5 minutes binary options, always. And I will show you how I use it here with Haneke Ishii as well. Another important thing here is this blue line. It's a 50-day simple moving average. I'm just going to use it to show me which way is a trend up or down. And then another important thing here is this green line here. This green line is a 6-day exponential moving average. All the other indicators is not important in this strategy. So all you have to see here is that extreme indicator. We call it the core pip extreme indicator. That's for 60 seconds binary options. It's red on the top, green at the bottom. That blue line is a 50-day simple moving average, and then this green line is a 6-day exponential moving average. And on my right I have the same stuff, but just the Japanese candlesticks. Now guys, very important, we only going to use Haneke Ishii in a very safe down zone. Now first of all, we're only going to trade that. What is a safe down zone? I want to see Haneke Ishii came under the 50-day simple moving average, and from there till the price touch the extreme indicator, I will only trade in this zone. This is a safer zone. And the reason why we're only going to trade the downside, not the upside. The reason for that is when price go down, there's panic. And we just want to take advantage for 2 minutes on the panic, on the downside. That's the reason why I do it. We only trade high probability setups, and this is why the downtrend is more powerful than the uptrend. Right, now guys, basically what I'm looking in this safe zone, the down zone, I'm looking for a double top. You see the price came down, then it goes up, comes down again, then it goes up again. So we have a double top here. Now, when we have a double top, I want to see Haneke Ishii came down. And as it came down, I want to see the 6-day exponential moving average go through the body, not the wick, the body of the Haneke Ishii. As that happened, at that spot, I look on my right on the Japanese candlesticks, because what I'm looking here, I'm looking for or a bull bar or a small bear bar like this, or a medium bear bar. If this bar is large or extra large, I don't take the trade. So because this is a small bear bar, at that spot as the next bar open, I take a 2-minute put, 1 2-minute, and I take advantage of the selling, the panic in the selling zone. Right, this is how I trade. Let's go and look at the next one. The next one, again, we trade only the zone from the 50-day moving average and the extreme indicator. That's a zone. In this area, I'm looking for a double top. You see the price came down, it go up, came down again, we have a double top here. This is the first thing I'm looking. Then I want to see Haneke Ishii came down, and as it go down, I want to see the 6-day exponential moving average go through the body of the Haneke Ishii, which happened there. As that happened, I look at my right on the Japanese candlesticks, and I say this bar must be or a bull bar, or a small bear bar, or a medium bear bar. And it is. It's a medium bear bar. Then I will take a 2-minute, 1 2-minute put. That's it. So simple as this. This one, I'm not even look because there's not a double top. Let's go to the next one. Again, we only trade in a safe zone from that area till it hit the extreme indicator. Now I'm looking for a double top. Now look here, price came down, go up again, and then it came down again. Now at this spot, I'm looking, I want to see if a 6-day MA must go through the body of a Haneke Ishi. As it happened, I look at my right at the size of a bar. Now basically, this, I would say this happened on the tail. This bar went through the body. When it closed, I would say it was rather this bar and not that bar. Now if you look at this bar, you'll see it's a small bar. So this bar must be or a bull bar, or a small bear bar, or a medium bear bar. So what I will do is I'll take a 2-minute put. 1 2-minute. That's it. If I go to the next one, again, we are in a safe zone. I'm looking for a double top. You see there's one top. Market came down. Second top. Now, this bar came down. Haneke Ishi didn't go through the body. I would say rather go through the wick. So the very next bar, you can see Haneke Ishi go through the body. As that happened, I look at the Japanese candlesticks and I see that was a bull bar. I laugh when I get a bull bar when Haneke Ishi is coming down. So if I see that bull bar as the next bar open, I take a 1 2-minute put. That's it. If I go to the next one, you see guys, again, there's one top, second top. Haneke Ishi came down. As it came down, I look at the size. I look at the size of the bar. I see it's a small bar. I take a 1 2-minute put. That's it. Going to the next one. We're looking for a double top. There's one top. There's a second top. I want Haneke Ishi to go through. The 6-day exponential moving average must go through the Haneke Ishi. As it happened, I'll look at the size of a bar. Now here, first of all guys, look here. I said yes and no, because on Haneke Ishi I will say yes, but on Japanese candlesticks no. Because when that happened, this was a large bar, extra large bar. An extra large bar works out 50%. 50% of the time you'll win, and 50% you'll lose. So there's no point to try go in a setup where you have a 50% chance. But if you look a little bit up, look here, it happened here again. There's another top, another one here. Haneke Ishi came down. There it didn't go through the body, here it came through the body. As I look at that bar, it was this small bar here, and because it's a small bar, I can take a 1 2-minute put. Simple as that. Guys, and this is how I use Haneke Ishi. There's other strategies I also use it. If you want to see how I trade every Wednesday, it's free. You can just go to the website www.60secondsbo.com, register there, and then you can see how I trade live strategies. If you are serious and you want to see me every day how I trade, go to the same website, register as a member, and then every day you can see how I trade. And I will also share all the other strategies which I not share to guys who only look how I trade on Wednesdays. Thank you guys. Hope you're gonna make a lot of money using this strategy.